Hello, I'm about to bake my dinner and I'm here to provide possibly some inspiration for your next pizza. This is going to be a pizza bianca, a white pizza. It means there is no tomato sauce on the base. So I will show you a little trick. Wet hand, and you pass it on the surface. So you avoid the burnt black spots. And here comes the inspiration, possibly. Grilled aubergines. And nothing else for now. I'm gonna show you what I will put after. Here I am. I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes. I like to add them after I bake the pizza so they don't shrivel, they stay nice and whole. I just added a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt to taste. No oil, because I also have this green thing, which is pesto. It's not regular pesto, it's not the obvious basil pesto, it's rocket pesto. You make it just blending together rocket, let's say 100 grams of rocket, same amount of extra virgin olive oil, pinch of salt if you want, 25-30 grams of pine nuts, same amount of Parmigiano cheese in my case, but just put whatever you want, and add an optional clove of garlic. I don't really like it that much, so I just avoided garlic. I will check my pizza and come back in a while. My pizza is ready, let's add the finishing touches. Oh, I guess it's not bianca anymore. Now I cut it and I eat it. Ciao!